Coughing. I used to be terrified of coughing in public. Seriously, coughing? The horror. The moment my throat even thought about tickling, my brain screamed, "Not here, not now!" It wasn't just coughing, it was the unwanted attention that followed. You'd cough once, and suddenly people looked at you like you just summoned a demon from your lungs. Their heads turned so fast you think they heard a final boss theme playing. And don't get me started on the long, continuous cough. The kind that sounds like you're reviving a chainsaw made of bronchitis. You know, the ones that come in waves. The moment that kind started, I'd feel like the main character in a courtroom drama on trial or having a fit. Classrooms, a nightmare. One tiny cough and suddenly the teacher's mid-lecture was like, "Who's dying?" I'd resort to weird rituals like pinching my nose, holding my breath, swallowing air, biting my tongue. Anything to keep that treacherous throat in check. It's like trying to defuse a bomb using only willpower. The school bus was worse. A single cough would ricochet through the tin can of judgment like surround sound. So I'd hold it in until my eyes were watering, and I was on the brink of spontaneous combustion. Better to suffer quietly than be the cougher. Only at home did I find freedom. There I could cough like an anime villain, laughing maniacally, loud, unfiltered, and absolutely unbothered. Full volume, surround sound. A cough so powerful it could shift the tectonic plates, and not a single soul would care. But let's get nerdy for a second. What is coughing anyway? It's a reflex, a noble biological defense to keep your airways clear. A sign that your body is trying to help you survive. And here I was sabotaging it like a Bond villain for social anxiety. So yes, what I was doing was very, very bad for me. But you wouldn't understand unless you too are a level 99 introvert who fears attention more than illness. We're the people who will risk choking on air just to avoid public spectacle.